Which is the best bank for you to save money in Kenya? I did my research and I came back with results. Saving money is one of those foundations for financial stability. And one of the things that you always have to do when you want financial stability is having the ability to save money. But where you save always matters. If you put your money in a bank with low interest rates, inflation will easily erode your gains. And in 2024, the inflation rate in Kenya was 4 point something or 5%. So as long as where you're saving your money doesn't give you an interest rate higher than the inflation rate, then your money is slowly being eroded away. So choosing the right bank can significantly boost your returns. So I've reviewed some banks. I've done a review of some banks to compare their saving rates and offer quick tips on which one you could use. The information that I share is for educational purposes only. If you want financial advice, please seek a professional. Now, what do you look for in a bank for savings? Now, before jumping into a particular bank, it's important that you have some points or criteria that will help you to know which bank to choose. So, look at the following factors: the interest rate and the compounding frequency. What is the interest rate? Currently, most banks have an interest rate of between 4% to maybe around 8, 10, 12%. Then check the frequency. Does the interest compound daily, monthly, or quarterly? Because at the end of the day, this will be important in your decision making. Check the minimum balance requirement or the account maintenance fee. Check the withdrawal rules, liquidity, and number of free withdrawals that you are given in a month or in a particular specified period. Check for credibility and safety. Is it regulated by CBK? Is it licensed? Are the deposits, do we have insurance for the deposit? Are they available? Then finally, digital access. How easily can you access your money? How easily can you open an account? How easily can you open the app? So with that information now checked, these are the 8 best banks in Kenya with highest interest rates. Bank number 1, Credit Bank PLC. I don't know how many of you know it, but it's a bank in Kenya. It offers regular and high yield savings products. The interest rate is currently around 13.18%. This is the highest among 38 banks that we have reviewed and researched. It's very attractive rate at 13.18. It's very attractive. It's just like money market. It's closer to some treasury bills. But you have to check for the withdrawal rules and the bank's stability. I didn't have that information during the research. Bank number 2 is ABC, African Banking Corporation. It provides savings account and deposits account. The interest rate currently is around 12.32%. It's very competitive, but often comes with strict terms and conditions. Bank number 3, surprise, surprise, Family Bank. Family Bank offers different saving products. The interest rates are around 11.96%. It's a mid-tier bank. It's not a top-tier bank. It's a mid-tier bank with relatively high savings rates compared to larger banks, the likes of Equity and NCBA. Speaking of Equity, it comes to number 4. It provides variety of savings and deposits products. The interest rate is around 10.73%. It has got a strong digital banking platform and extensive branch networks across the country, and it's very, very accessible. Bank number 5 is Absa Bank, the former Barclays. The savings and deposits options include Absa Digital Savings Account. The interest rates are currently at around 8.07%. It has got a decent rate of major. It's a decent rate, well-established bank that is partially accessible, not as easily accessible as Equity, but it's partially accessible. KCB Bank, there's an account known as Gold Saving Account, specifically Gold Saving Account. It has got Tired Savings Account. Tired means that bundled together, designed for personal or goal-based saving. The interest rate is up to 7% per annum. All these interest rates are per annum, depending on the balance tires. It's flexible also. It's digital-friendly account. It works well with the KCB mobile platforms like M-Pesa integration. Bank number seven, cooperative, specifically Hekima savings account. It's a simple savings account with no minimum balance requirement, zero. The interest rate is credited quarterly. It's good for set and forget savers. If you just have some money and you want to put somewhere and forget, set and forget, then it's a good, very good account for you. Although the interest rate is modest compared to its close competitors. The final bank on our list is Standard Chartered Bank, Stanchart, and we are talking about Safari Savings. It has got a premium savings account option, but the interest rate is low for regular balances, about 0.75 to 1.75%, even for very high balances. It's good for premium banking experience and additional add-ons or packs, but not ideal for people looking to grow their savings very fast. These are the tips if you want to get better returns on your savings. Tip number one, use fixed term deposits. If your fund can stay locked for some for a long period of time, a month or a year, this often pay more than regular savings. So use that fixed stroke term deposits. Then compare across banks. It's always advisable. Do a 2% margin, which is a very big difference when it's compounded over time. So compare across banks to have a bank that favors you in terms of interest rate. Avoid, tip number three, avoid high fees banks. Fees and charges can eat away your returns. You save money without knowing that this bank has got 1,000 shillings maintenance fee per month. So when you thought that you have got 10,000 in your account, you go after 2 months and you have got 7,000 or 8,000. Then watch for promotional rates. Some banks offer intro bonus rates for new accounts. So when you put yourself in these positions to get these particular rates, they will serve you well. Then stay informed. Interest rates are normally controlled by Central Bank of Kenya, or they move with the central bank rate, CBR. So when the CBR goes down, central bank rate goes down, then banks may lower their savings and interest rates as well. So there is no best bank for everyone. The best bank depends on your balance. How often do you want to withdraw? How often do you want to save? And your appetite for risk. But currently, some smaller or niche banks are offering relatively good interest rates of 10% plus, while big banks are more moderate. So use the analysis that I've given you to check. You can visit those banks and open an account with them. It's not a promotional video. I'm just sharing informational and educational content. And until next time, bye-bye.